Hi Deepika.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Yes, Deepika. Where are you from?
I'm from Jogulamba, Gaddwal district, sir.
Gadwal. Okay. And about your family?
My father is a tailor and my mother is a homemaker. I have 3 elder sisters. In the 2 sisters are married. One sister is pursuing her masters.
Okay. Good to know that. Yes, Deepika. How do you know about SVC Institute?
I got to know about this institution through the Instagram, sir.
Okay. And what did you learn from SVC during this 2.5 months training?
Here I gained a strong and deep knowledge in global accounting and investment banking and mutual funds.
Okay. And share your interview experience.
Yes, sir. There are 3 rounds of an interview, and in that first round is HS screening round, and mostly focused in communication skills.
Okay.
And also they asked about my final year project. In second round, it is an online assessment, and the online assessment which is included with a set of questions of Excel, aptitude, and accounting.
Okay.
Third round is technical round, and in technical round they mostly asked about the accounting related questions like accounting concepts, accounting principles, and financial statements.
Okay.
And in fourth round is client manager round, and in fourth round also they mostly asked about both communication and technical skills.
Okay. And you got selected for Deloitte, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And when you are going to join?
I'm going to joining within 10 days, sir.
Okay. Congratulations and all the very best.
Thank you, sir.